Hello everybody! So I have an unboxing for you today. This is the Clique Kits February kit. It's called Moonlight Sonata. It's probably one of my all-time favorite kits because I helped make it. So there's little bits and pieces in here that I chose to go with the kit, which makes me super excited and happy. So I have the main kit, the Traveler's Notebook kit, and the color kit here that I'm going to go through for you. I also have some extras that you can find in the shop. There are extra embellishments, color kits in the shop now, and you can use my code to save a little bit on your order, and you can find that down below. The other thing is that if you're interested in getting the entire main kit, I will tell you right now that those will, if there are any extra, they will go live in the shop on February 1st as one-off kits, but still kind of iffy if we actually have any extras or not. I think that they are all sold out. So let me start with the kits and we'll get going. So this is the main kit paper. Most of the papers, well, all of the papers in the main kit are from Cocoa Vanilla Studios Midnight. So this is the first paper. I'll show you both sides. This one's called Sophisticated. This one is called Sunset Strip. This is our next paper. Sorry about that. And it is called Inky Depths. This is a beautiful background. If you like a dark background, this is gorgeous. We have a cut apart sheet. And this is the other side of the cut apart sheet. This paper is called All the Things. This is a gorgeous paper that can be used for a background. All the work is done for you. And then it has this beautiful script on the other side. And this is called Moonlight. This is a gorgeous cut apart where you can use, this would be a fabulous paper to back a cut file with. And then the other side says Mixed Blessings, and it has the super usable pattern on the other side. This is one of those ones that can be a background, super easy background and beautiful. And this is the other side with these little kind of like whimsical gem elements on them, and this is called Inspired. This one is a gorgeous wood grain, and then the other side is a nice ombre that goes from a nice light pink down to a dark, deep hot pink, and this is called Shine Bright. All right, so as I was saying, I think that this paper and this paper are very close, except that this one's colored in and this one is left for you to color, possibly. And maybe that's what I'll do with that. So I have this one with the beautiful navy stripes on the back, and this is called Bloom and Grow. So these are all of the papers in the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Midnight collection. You get one of each of the entire collection of papers. And that's in the main kit. The next thing in the main kit are our thickers for this month. The thickers for this month are called Fairy Tale. These thickers are beautiful. So these were designed by Shamel. They go with her Head in the Clouds collection. And this is her handwriting in thickers. These are chipboard thickers. They will need a little bit of extra adhesive. Just a warning. Then you also get a full pack, one full pack of the Midnight die cut ephemera. So this is that ephemera. And you know what? I'm just going to show you the back. That seems like a better option. So there's some frames. There's lots and lots and lots and lots of flowers, cute little jars, a couple of tags, some heart elements, some little phrase die cuts, some little file folder tabs, which I really love. So beautiful, beautiful ephemera in this package. Lots to play with, 57 pieces. Next in the main kit is some of, hold on, Pink Fur Studio journaling cards. So these are journaling tags. These are from the Indigo Hills 2 collections. They have some gold foil on them. And I'm going to kind of set them here so you can really see how well that they kind of coordinate, with this Midnight collection. So you can see here how really, really pretty and well that they coordinate with this. So I'm going to tell you a little secret. Indigo Hills 2 was not one of my favorite collections from this year. But when you pair the elements in the kit with these Cocoa Vanilla papers, which are 1000% my style, and I adore Cocoa Vanilla. They match, they look really nice together, the colors look really nice together, and suddenly I'm liking these Indigo Hill elements much, much more. So I think that I needed a little bit more romance with my Indigo Hills, maybe. We'll see, I don't know. But, so there are all the journaling tags and how well they go together with that collection. So they look really, really pretty and beautiful. And then, next thing is, so we get a shared pack of Cocoa Vanilla Studios word and phrase die cuts and half a pack of the Prima Say It in crystals. So just a second, let me get that for you. My kit is, I don't think my main kit is complete because I don't have the words in my kit, but that's okay. These are the Prima Say It in crystal. Look how beautiful. So you get half a pack of these perfect little sprinkles, and of course you'll have those die cut words too in your kit. And then the next thing we have is an exclusive Bramble Fox acrylic, which I think is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then, so I have an entire pack of wood spools because I wanted an entire pack of wood spools. And in your kit, you're going to get 2. So you'll get 2 of the wood spools, and then you'll also have some word and phrase die cut stickers in here. See if we can interest the puppy in a not squeaky toy while I finish this video up. So yeah, beautiful kit. This is what is in the main kit. Just remember, when you get your kit, you will have those die cut words, some die cut words, and you won't get a full pack of the spools. You'll only have 2. Okay. Now let's move on to the Traveler's Notebook kit. Just kind of checking here because my kit is a little different than what you will receive just because of timing issues. And Gia brought this to me at Creativation. So, all right. So what you will receive in the Traveler's Notebook kit, you will get half a package, half of the 6x8 paper pad in the Cocoa Vanilla Midnight collection. So half of the pad, which is still 15 sheets of paper. So you'll get 1 of each. Just like you do in the main kit, you'll get 1 of each of the styles of the 12x12. You'll get 1 each of the 6x8 collection too. And then, let's see what else we have here. What I have, I don't have. Looks like there is a good bit of the Traveler's Notebook kit that I don't have here, which that's totally fine. I can just tell you what is in there. So there will be 1 Pretty Little Studios Bohemian Dreams alphabet in blue, 1 Pretty Little Studios Bohemian Dreams word stickers in white, a full pack of Pink Fresh Indigo Hills 2 ephemera, and that I have. And I can show you what the inside is. So lots of those oranges. There's a little pop of yellow in here. that matches with the Bohemian Dreams collection really, really well. So that's the ephemera pack. You'll get some 8x8 cardstock in peach, lavender, and gray. I'm just looking here. Two shipping tags. There will be some Prima, the tickets, 3. There's a stamp set, a clear sticker sheet, and a Dreamcatcher charm for Traveler's Notebooks. So there is a good bit of this collection that I don't have, but that had to do with shipping, and she didn't get some of the things as quickly as she needed to be able to give it to me. So your kit will be a bit more fuller. Your TN kit will be a bit fuller than mine is, which is totally fine because I have plenty to play with. Trust me on this. Okay. So, and then there's some extras in the shop, which I'm going to show you. So, in the shop, if you want more wood spools than what is in your kit, so if you want more than 2, you can get an entire set of wood spools. This is from the Spring Farmhouse collection by Prima, and they're gorgeous. You can also get, and you don't have to be a subscriber to get these. These are in the shop now. You can grab them, and you can use my code below to grab them out of the shop. You can get an entire package of the Say It in Crystals Spring Farmhouse little gems from Prima, which are also beautiful. There is a pack of Indigo Hills phrase stickers that you can grab in the shop. And there is the 6x12 set of Midnight accessory stickers, which you can also get in the shop. And then there is a package of pattern paper that is add-ons. So this is the Spring Farmhouse Beautiful Life paper, which is gorgeous. There is Prima in the shop. So I love Prima. I love them. Prima, they don't make anything that I don't adore. So, I'm going to take credit for the Prima in this kit. But anyway, so this one is called Beautiful Life, and it's amazing. This is from the Spring Farmhouse collection, and there's a gorgeous, gorgeous buffalo check. This pattern paper add-on, which is considered an add-on, it's in the shop. So you can get it. You don't need a collection or a subscription. This one's called Full Heart. Again, has beautiful detailing. Eek! The other side is a cut-apart sheet that you can use. Really cute, beautiful florals. We have a Simple Stories Kissing Booth paper. This is the Love and Adore paper. These flowers are begging to be fussy cut, if you ask me. And then we have this paper from Emerson Lane, Heidi Swap, called Classic, which just has this nice bold black and white stripe on the back, alphabet on the other side. And then there are 2 nice thick sheets of black cardstock. Super excited about those because I am almost out of black cardstock. I don't use it too much, but let me just pull this here. So if you're not a subscriber, you can go into the shop. You can grab the paperback. You can grab these stickers. You can grab those. And you can grab these. And you have a lovely kit right there. How about that? There's also some other goodies from the Midnight collection in the shop. So I know there are extra of these die cuts, and there's a couple other things in the shop you can pick up. So you have the ability to get yourself some fun goodies, and you don't need a subscription to do that. You can grab those right in the shop. And then I have some things here that are in the shop too that you can grab that are not part of any kits, but it's fabulous. Okay, so Alexandra Ranke, look at that. How gorgeous. I'm going to have fun with this because it's stunning and I love it. So we have that one. These are Kessie Art. So Kessie Art is an international company in France. we've had some Clique Kits that have had some of their paper in them. Their paper is thick. It's gorgeous and beautiful. If you are a scrapbooker of little boys, they do amazing patterns that are very, very gender neutral, but still fun and still light and bright. Not dark, not, you know, but just really nice. So we have these two clear stamps. This one is cameras. And I think this is a background stamp. Yes, this is a background stamp. So, and from what I can see here, this is a stamp that you can stamp like, and they will match up. It'll match up to create a long line of borders of stamps. Super duper cute. We have all of these rainbows. So there's an outline, there's an inside, and then we have some raindrops and some clouds. Those are super cute too. And then I'm just going to let you look at what collection this is from, because I'm not going to even attempt. I'm not even going to attempt to say that. So the first paper is called Pixel. And you get 2 of each of these papers that I'm going to show you. So this is the A side, this is the B side. You get them both. This next one is called Bridge. And see what I mean? Very gender neutral, but not super dark. Light and bright. The next one is called Autofocus. This one is a little bit darker, but in little pops or backing a photo, it'd be really nice. And then this one has these fun cameras that you could fussy cut out. And they have these geometric pictures, like geometric pattern inside. So really unique, very, very unique papers. This one is called Okay, this is another line, I think. This is called Relax Wax. And then the name of this paper is SEKOU. And so these are the 2 sides. Again, geometrics, organics, but not super dark. Beautiful. I kind of love these. Okay, so super fun, and I love this. This one is called Focal. And what you're going to find is that this paper, one side is in French, one side is in English. So there's that. So you pretty much, unless you speak French, which if you do, here you go. But you have 2 of all of these then, right? Super cute. I love these long ones. Those are interesting. Those are going to be fun to play with, I think. For me, anyway. Okay, and those are all of the goodies. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. Color kit. The color kit for this month is 3 concentrated watercolors. Art Philosophy by Prima. These are going to be so fun to play with. I'm very excited to kind of get playing with these. So there are 3 colors. There's a purple, and then there is, they're like shades. So this is more of a fuchsia purple, and then this is more of a blue purple. And that is our color kit for the month. So lots of goodies in the Clique Kit shop. Head over, grab some of this fun stuff. And like I said, a lot of this is not subscription. A lot of this you can just go to the shop, make a one-time purchase. My code's below. I hope you enjoy this. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you're interested in buying a kit all together, like as a one-off, those will be listed in the shop, if there are any, February 1st. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.